Hello, boys and girls. 'Tis I, Santa Claus, talking to you from the North Pole. Now, I got a card from a pupil in County Meath, it was, yes, and this pupil was all anxious and had an awful lot of questions to ask me. It surrounds this nasty virus that has taken over the whole world. Oh, I know all about it. But it told me something. It told me that I've got to make a few things clear right here and right now. Because he had a lot of questions, you see. There's an awful lot of restrictions and rules and regulations. You can't go here and you can't go there. So I think it's about time I made this good big statement to all you boys and girls. I can confirm here and now that I, Santa Claus, and all my reindeers will be with you this Christmas like every other Christmas. Oh, there's no change. Oh, I'll be there. And you know why? Well, we've done an awful lot of work in the North Pole. We've done an awful lot of preparations, you know. I've put Mrs. Claus in charge of our health. And every day she takes our temperatures. Oh, she takes my temperature morning, noon and night. And she takes all the elves' temperatures. And she's in charge. And also, when we go into the workshops, only a few elves can work at a time, just to keep everyone safe. And then, when I go in, I have to wear my magic scarf to protect me and to protect all the elves. So we're doing our bit up here. And on the day, on Christmas Eve, all your presents, boys and girls, and I've got plenty of letters, all your presents will be put in special bags, and that nasty virus won't be able to penetrate them. Oh no, they'll be perfectly safe. And when I come down your chimney, I will be wearing my magic scarf, which will protect me and will protect you. And then I leave the presents as usual. Oh, and there's another thing. There's no problem leaving bits and pieces out for me. I, as usual, would love to see some milk and cookies and Jaffa cakes. I just love Jaffa cakes. And of course, don't forget Rudolph and Dancer and Prancer. There's no change to that. Everything is good to go. So, let me state, everything is in place up here in the North Pole. I'm just after getting clearance from all the leaders of the world. We can go wherever we like on Christmas Eve. There's nothing that will stop us this Christmas Eve. No nasty virus will stop Santa Claus. So, all you've got to do, boys and girls, is do as what you've been doing all these months, leading by example, washing your hands, staying apart, doing what your mammy and daddy and those who are in charge of you say, 'cause they know best. And I know you'll be very good, because there's no boys and girls on the naughty list this year. So we're ready to go from the North Pole. Christmas 2020 will happen this year. Santa Claus is good to go. So I'll be with you. That's a promise. So till we meet again, bye-bye everybody. Be good and stay safe.